attractive face is all about balance and proportion. The nose, located at the front and at the center of the face, provides the foundation for the sense of aesthetic balance. Each face is unique, and so is its relationship with the center of attention, the nose. Yes, today we are talking about rhinoplasty. Rhinoplasty, commonly known as nose job, is a nose reshaping surgery. If you have a nose which is too large or too small, too wide for your face, if you have a protruding enlarged bulbous or a droopy tip, if you have a hump on your nasal bridge, if you have a crooked nose, or if you have a pinched or flared nostrils, consider yourself a candidate. Rhinoplasty not only improves the shape, size and symmetry of a person's nose, bringing it to a better proportion with the rest of the face, but it also corrects certain associated functional deformities. One such common misalignment is a deviated septum, in which the bone and the cartilage dividing the nose into the left and the right halves have become crooked or off-center. This deviation affects your breathing. Rhinoplasty can correct this misalignment and improves the natural flow of air through your nostrils. It is performed under general anesthesia. I prefer to do an open rhinoplasty where a small incision is given in the columella. Since it is not visible from the front, the scar is inconspicuous. But this approach allows more complete access to your entire nose to the nasal structures, and so the nose can be sculpted into the desired shape. Each nose is different and the exact technique used during a procedure will be different each time depending upon a patient's anatomy and the desired shape. At the end of the procedure, nasal packs are put inside the nostrils for a period of 24 hours, and during this time the patient has to breathe through the mouth. A nasal splint is also applied on the dorsum, and this stays for a period of 7 days. The patient is discharged either the same evening or the next morning. He can resume his normal activities from the next morning itself. Swelling and bruising appears around the nose and around the eyes, and they gradually disappear over a couple of months. But the entire swelling takes around 8 to 10 months to resolve, and your results keep improving till then. Rhinoplasty is one of the most delicate and most difficult of all facial surgeries. The goals of nose reshaping are as individual as the patients who choose to have it. Most often, the difference between a normal nose and a beautiful nose differs in just a few millimeters or a few angular degrees. If a surgeon removes too much of tissue or too much of cartilage, the result can look abnormally unnatural and in the end may require a revision. Therefore, it is important to get the surgery performed right in the first place, at the first time. So choose your surgeon wisely.